Hello friends, good morning. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 4, fractional numbers. In this chapter our topics are division of a fractional number by a whole number, division of a whole number by a fractional number, and division of a fractional number by another fractional number. Let's begin with division of a fractional number by a whole number. Question number 1. 1 upon 5 divided by 3. Remember, in division, first change the division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. Here, dividend is equal to 1 upon 5 and divisor is equal to 3. Look, 1 upon 5 is a fraction number and 3 is a whole number. Now, rewrite the whole number 3 as a fractional number 3 upon 1 because any whole number divided by 1 is the number itself. So write 1 upon 5 as it is. Now change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then write the reciprocal of 3 upon 1 which is 1 upon 3. So we have 1 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Now simplify. 1 1s are 1 and 5 3s are 15. So the answer is 1 upon 15. Let's try one more. 2 3 upon 5 divided by 4. Here dividend is equal to 2 3 upon 5. And 2 3 upon 5 is a mixed number, so let's convert them into an improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 and 10 plus 3 13, so the dividend is equal to 13 upon 5 and divisor is equal to 4. So the question is 13 upon 5 divided by 4. Look, 13 upon 5 is a fractional number, so write 13 upon 5 and division sign as it is. And 4 is a whole number, so rewrite the whole number 4 as a fractional number 4 upon 1 because any whole number divided by 1 is the number itself. Again, write 13 upon 5 as it is. Now change the division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor which is 1 upon 4. So we have 13 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now simplify. Look, 13 is not divisible by 5 and 4, so do the multiplication. 13 1s are 13 and 5 4s are 20, so the answer is 13 upon 20. Our next topic is division of a whole number by a fractional number. Question number 1. 18 divided by 3 upon 4. Here dividend is equal to 18 and divisor is equal to 3 upon 4. First, rewrite the whole number 18 as a fraction number 18 upon 1. Then write the division sign and 3 upon 4 as it is. Again write 18 upon 1 as it is. Now change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then write the reciprocal of 3 upon 4 which is 4 upon 3. So we have 18 multiplied by 4 upon 3. Now simplify. See, 18 and 3 both are divisible by the same digit 3. So cancel them out by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 6s are 18. Now it cannot be further divisible, so do the multiplication. 6 4s are 24, so the answer is 24 because 24 upon 1 is equal to 24.
Let's solve one more question. Question number 2. 100 divided by 33 1 upon 3. Here dividend is equal to 100 and divisor is equal to 33 1 upon 3. And 33 1 upon 3 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 33 3s are 99 and 99 plus 1 100. So the divisor is 100 upon 3. So we write 100 divided by 100 upon 3. See, in this question 100 is a whole number and 100 upon 3 is a fractional number. Rewrite the whole number 100 as a fractional number 100 upon 1 because any number divided by 1 is equal to the number itself. Then write the division sign as it is and then write down 100 upon 3. First, write down 100 upon 1. To divide, first change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of divisor. So write down multiplication sign. And the reciprocal of 100 upon 3 is 3 upon 100. So write down 3 upon 100. Here I see 100 is divisible by 100. So cancel them out by 100. 100 ones are 100. Again 100 ones are 100. Now it cannot be further simplified. So do the multiplication. 3 ones are 3 and 1 ones are 1. So the answer is 3 upon 1, and 3 upon 1 is equal to 3. Our next topic is division of a fractional number by another fractional number. Let's solve some examples. Question number 1. 4 upon 5 divided 7 upon 9. Here dividend is equal to 4 upon 5 and divisor is equal to 7 upon 9. To divide, first change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So write down 4 upon 5 as it is and change division to multiplication. So write down multiplication sign. Then write down the reciprocal of the divisor, and the divisor is 7 upon 9 and reciprocal of 7 upon 9 is 9 upon 7. So write down 9 upon 7. Here I see the digits are not divisible by same number. So do the multiplication. Numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 4 9s are 36 and 5 7s are 35. So the fraction is 36 upon 35. But it is an improper fraction. So convert them into mixed number. Everyone knows how we will convert them into mixed number. So pause the video and divide 36 upon 35. Do on your own and check. The answer is 1 upon 35. Let's solve one more question. Question number 2. 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 6. Here dividend is equal to 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 2 8. So the dividend is equal to 8 upon 3 and divisor is equal to 1 upon 6. Again 1 upon 6 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 6 1s are 6 and 6 plus 1 7. So the divisor is equal to 7 upon 6. If we convert mixed number into improper fraction, then the next step is 8 upon 3 divided by 7 upon 6. To divide, first change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of divisor. So write down 8 upon 3 as it is. Then change division to multiplication. So write down multiplication sign. And the reciprocal of the divisor 7 upon 6 is 6 upon 7. So write down 6 upon 7. Here I see 6 and 3 both are divisible by the same number 3. So cancel them out by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now it cannot be further simplified. So do the multiplication. 8 2s are 16 and 7 1s are 7. So the fraction is 16 upon 7. But 16 upon 7 is a mixed number? No. It is an improper fraction. So let's convert them into mixed number. Everyone knows how we will convert them into mixed number. So pause the video and divide 16 by 7. Do on your own and check, and the answer is 2 upon 7. Let's solve one more question. Question number 3. 6 3 upon 5 divided by 4 7 upon 12. Here dividend is equal to 6 3 upon 5 and 6 3 upon 5 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 6 5s are 30 and 30 plus 3 33. So the dividend is equal to 33 upon 5 and divisor is equal to 4 7 upon 12. Again 4 7 upon 12 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 12 4s are 48 and 48 plus 7 55. So divisor is equal to 55 upon 12. If we convert mixed number into improper fraction, then the next step is 33 upon 5 divided by 55 upon 12. To divide, first change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So write down 33 upon 5 as it is.
change division to multiplication. So write down multiplication sign. And the reciprocal of the divisor 55 upon 12 is 12 upon 55. So write down 12 upon 55. Here I see 33 and 55 both are divisible by the same number 11. So cancel them out by 11. 11 3s are 33 and 11 5s are 55. Now it cannot be further simplified. So do the multiplication. 12 3s are 36 and 5 5s are 25. So the fraction is 36 upon 25. 36 upon 25 is a proper fraction? No, it is an improper fraction. So first we convert them into mixed number. Everyone knows how we will convert them into mixed number. So pause the video and divide 36 by 25. Do on your own and check. The answer is 111 upon 25. I hope you all are understand division of fraction numbers. So complete worksheet 11 once in Maths CW. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.